There are two types of injuries in workers' compensation. The first type is called a traumatic injury, time and place injury, where an example would be if you slip and fall or you stumble and hit your knee on the table. That would be a traumatic injury.
The classic fall off the ladder.
Off the ladder, right? Slipping on ice, traumatic injury. The second type of injury in workers' compensation in Jersey is an occupational injury. The classic example of occupational injuries are carpal tunnel, right? It's carpal tunnel injuries.
That's a good one. It's any injury that occurs as a result of use over time. These are injuries that might not be obvious, right? Many times a client will say, well, you know, there wasn't any time when I fell off the ladder. I just started noticing that I had pain in my hands and my arm, my shoulder, my back, whatever the case may be. And it isn't until sometimes they go to a doctor that they realize they have a herniated disc, they have a torn rotator cuff, and they begin to think about, well, you know, what do I do that I could have injured myself? I didn't get in a car accident, I didn't fall off a ladder, and they start to think about what they do every day at work and how tired and how sore and how difficult their job is. And many times over a period of months or years doing heavy work, repetitive tasks, ultimately the particular body part or system begins to become injured in a way that doesn't occur just as a result of the natural aging process, but rather is specifically injured as a result of a work effort that is greater than what they do in their average everyday lives. And those injuries are very much as compensable as the injury when someone falls off the ladder. And employers, unfortunately, and insurance carriers especially, don't do a good job in educating the population about these kind of injuries.